So welcome back to the YouTube channel, and tonight we have a very shocking news to discuss about, and it is about Elaine Thompson Herah, and a coach from USA that was recently talking about Elaine Thompson Herah, right? So in case this happens to be your first time here on this YouTube channel, do me a favor to first like this video and of course subscribe to the YouTube channel. So what happened was there is a coach in USA right now by the name ATO Boldon. So ATO Boldon, he claims that he knows everything about the 100 meters and the sprinting event. And he recently made a very shocking comment about Ellen Thompson Herah that when I heard the comment, I nearly cried for Ellen Thompson Herah because I was like, what what he says is very damaging. It's very it's like it will easily, if Ellen Thompson Herah hear what he says, she is going to, like, if she is not physically and mentally strong, maybe she's going to lose her confidence. So I will share with you what Ato Boldon has to say about Ellen Thompson Herah. The coach is from the United States of America, and this is what he has to say about Ellen Thompson Herah.
I think there were some mistakes made with Elaine. I mean, shoot. But I think more than anything else, it's that her body physically is done. Now remember when I
double Elaine Thompson Herah, like in the sprint world, what is the talk on her? Like, do people think, wow, she lost so much money by not paying her coach, or what's the thought process there?
um I think she may have overestimated her value when she won the second double, her and her husband. It happens. It happens a lot in this sport. You have athlete X who thinks, "Oh, well, I did blah 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 blah, and nobody's ever done that." But the shoe companies sometimes look at you differently. The shoe companies, I think it happened with Allison too, Allison Felix. The shoe companies look at you. Think New England Patriots. They look at you and they go, "Wow, that's a fantastic achievement. Is it up from here or down from here?" And if the answer is down, or they give you a contract where you don't feel like that's the money you should be making now, and you're not looking at yourself the way they look. I think there were some mistakes made with Elaine. I mean, shoot. But I think more than anything else, it's that her body physically is done. Now remember when Asafa Powell was I think he's forever on 99 or 98 sub 10, and he was going after the last two sub 10s or the last sub 10s to get to 100. It's never gonna happen. They were like, and ATO Boldon, he's such a damn hater. I'm like, you can call me what you want. I know the 100. When the body has had enough, when it's done, it's done. How many athletes have you? Oh, it's almost there. It's done.
I hope you heard what Ato Boldon said in the interview. He clearly stated that Ellen Thompson Herah is done. He said Ellen Thompson Herah career is done. And what does it mean when someone said something is done? Definitely that person is trying to let you know that that athlete doesn't really has the potential to further ahead in upcoming competitions like upcoming Olympics, upcoming World Athletic Championship. What he means is that maybe Ellen Thompson Herah is no longer going to have any possibility of dominating the Olympics in the coming future, like, because the interviewer was asking Ato Boldon. The interviewer said, what do you think about Ellen Thompson Herah? She is going to make history with the if she end up getting another medal in Olympics. She's going to be competing with the likes of Usain Bolt, because Usain Bolt, I think, he's one of the greatest Olympic medalists, right? He has triple medal, right? So the interviewer was literally trying to ask Ato Boldon what he thinks of Ellen Thompson Herah, and the next thing he said was he believes she's done. Her body is done. I think he made mention of her age. So it seems like Ato Boldon is using Ellen Thompson Herah's age to kind of classify whether she is done or not. But I think I have my own opinion, because I feel like nobody, because Even her coach, there was a guy that made a comment from social media replying to ATO Boldon. He said, her coach Stephen Francis Fano himself never said that Elaine Thomson Herah career is done. Why is ATO Boldon coming out? Is he ATO Boldon? Whatever. Why is he coming out to say that Elaine Thomson career is over? Stephen Francis Fano, one of the greatest Jamaican coach, he did not say Ellen is done. He said, I think what Stephen Francis Fano said about Ellen Thompson Herah was she still has a chance, but the only thing she needs to do is she needs to get out from Jamaica if she wants to come back to her masterpiece level. She needs to go to the United States of America and find a coach that will coach her in America, right? That was what Stephen Francis Fano, one of the greatest coach from Jamaica, said about Ellen Thompson, right? So it is actually sad when I saw ATO Boldon. He is one of the greatest coach in US, right? So he was commenting that Ellen career is over, and I was sad. I was sad because I am praying for Ellen Thompson Herah to come back healthy, not just healthy, but much more faster in the next year World Athletic, because World Athletic will be taking place 2025, right? So I'm really hoping and praying that Elaine Thompson Herah is going to come back healthy, in fact much more faster. So me hearing another coach saying she is done, it pieces my heart. Honestly, my heart. I'm one of Elaine Thompson Herah biggest fan. I'm one of Ellen Thompson Herah's biggest fans, so hearing such thing actually pieces my heart. But I don't know what you think. You watching me right now, what is your own opinion about what this coach has to say about Ellen Thompson Herah? Because I do not agree with him. If you ask me, I do not agree with what this coach said. I believe Ellen Thompson Herah will come back and she's going to shut down the naysayers and everybody doubting her ability to dominate the track world once again. Ellen Thompson Herah will be back. I believe in that because I feel like she's not just going to be back, but when she's back, I believe she's going to take down the Flojo American world record in the 100 meters, right? She is the fastest woman alive, and she is the only woman that have the capabilities and the ability to actually destroy the 100-meter female world record. So I really cannot wait for Ellen Thompson Herah to shut down the naysayers and prove to them that look, God is the ultimate whatever. God is the designer of human life. God is the creator, and He is the only one that gets to decide whether my career is done or not, right? I really cannot wait. I really cannot wait, and I'm patiently waiting for next year Ellen Thompson Herah coming out and shutting down the naysayers, shutting down people cutting her off and doubting her abilities of dominating the track world. Now let me hear your opinions in the comment section. Do you believe that Ellen Thompson Herah career is done or not? Let me hear your opinion, and do not forget to give this video a like, thumbs up, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Peace.